Hanoi is a perfect overloading feast for the senses. Crossing the streets here feels like entering the sea on a stormy day, and eating is sitting by the edge of the sea, hoping not to get wet. Around the low plastic tables, life is hectic. Day and night, the city is bursting with life, particularly around the old quarter. One is surrounded by a wonderful unfamiliarity. Everything feels novel and exciting. It was in Hanoi that we met Nhung. She would be our cooking teacher that evening. We wanted to know more about the delicious dishes we had been eating and try and cook some of them ourselves. At the market, Nhung told us how every day she walks there looking for love at first sight, when she finds that one ingredient which will shine a light on the dish she will make that night. Her most important rule: the ingredients have to be fresh. In the busy city life, dinner has become a very important time for the family and the community. It's an opportunity to sit together, sharing not only food, but also stories about their days. That evening at Nhung's home, we learned to cook a whole feast of delicious dishes. Fresh and fried spring rolls, a homemade spicy sauce, tofu with tomatoes, and wild basil leaf rolls. Finally, we sat at the family table and, among laughs and conversations, shared the food we had cooked together. And what could feel more familiar than that? The world looks a lot less daunting when you know you can sit with strangers and share a meal. When you cook with others, you are home, wherever you are.